Hey guys, it's me, Denial here, and if this works, I can put Kamehamehaing creepers in my video title, and I think it will work. Just gotta get down there, so let's... Oh. Alright. Oh. Come back for more, help. Okay, it looks like that's not gonna work. So let's try something a little more conventional. Maybe that worked. Or did it? Oh. What was the button? Oh, C. It's C to kill the bees. Maybe if I use this. Now it's just feet. Huh? Did that work? Am I safe? Well, now that I've successfully disintegrated that creeper on there, looks like I've got a video title. This is so satisfying just to see it turn into dust. Look at this. This is from the Kamehamehaing. Oh. So you're telling me that pressing tab can really do some damage with this on. What about this? Or this? This I know is super strong. So you can fly with it. Just absolutely destroy. Oh, hang on. I think I gotta get that. Hang on. Oh, I dropped it. Well, dang it. This is the Nokia. Oh, can't give that fire any fuel. Railgun. Let's go into the pig room. Hey, little piggies. What is this? Oh. Resend gun, portal gun, AI trainer, Minecraft bow. Oh. Why isn't it killing the pigs? It broke on the pig. it's exploding slowly now. You know, maybe we should just leave this map. What the heck happened there, though? Half-Life 2, the Citadel. Let's see what this is. We've got... Oh, wow, a hallway. Gun. I'll have the gun. Huh. Interesting. Bullets can't pass through. What about Kamehamehaing? Right there. Interesting. How about Superman? Da-da-da. I'm stuck. Ah. Whoa. Ow. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Called it. Okay. Let's try maybe. Let's just. What is this? Is this like some weird glass thing? Oh, it's an elevator. Oh. It was an elevator. I like nitroglycerin. Oh. Whoa. Didn't know there was gonna be a little bit of that in there. Let's restart the map so we can take the elevator. Let's spawn an alien on the elevator. Like one of those xenomorphs from last Teardown episode. Should start making playlists with all the games that I play. Alright, spawn aliens, xenomorph. Okay, 3. It seems to me that I have died. Let's not just die. Let's place some bricks. Okay, it's fine. Isn't it like is there edited content? It's a pipe bomb! Whoa. Kinda had that going. Did that kill it? How about this? Ow! Are you dead? There goes the timer. Oh! I'm dead. I'm gonna use something else to kill you, please don't. How inconsiderate. Just, oh my gosh. How about just... Well, let's go to the rocket launcher. That seems fun. Oh. Bye-bye. Let's see all my bodies. Here, we'll feed you. buddy! I've got an idea. We're gonna grab this, right? We've escaped. Let's see what's happening out here. There's this, and then there's this thing, which looks like it's connected to what I imagine to be a hallway. Yeah, looking like just I think there used to be something there. And there was just a long hallway. No gold. Whoa! These three pipes are all one object. Not anymore, though. Then we have this thing. This is, I've never played Half-Life. This was hollow. Saw the bee gun a little bit. Portal gun, light sword, spells. Let's do some more spells, because there's a lot of spells. Such as the teleport spell. This is like just disintegrate stuff. Yeah, acid. Get up close. Black hole. So shield. Shield. I think I can do, yeah, extra large shield. And then with like sun ray or black hole. I think this does extra large black hole. Yeah, so you can combine them. You're probably wondering what Carnage Vortex is. So it's like a black hole, but it just destroys. Oh, it also hurts me. Ow. Spiders, I can't. Let's go spawn some, like, art vandals. Robot showcase. An entire house. Let's just use this house. Right, here's the house. Pretty Hold, I think, picks up the house. Fly, I think that lets me fly. Slow your fall with it. Alright. Water. Boulder throw. This one I like. This one just shoots up the boulder thinks that boulder is big enough. So what about enlarging? Oh, completely destroyed. Light is just the flashlight. So this one I can times 3 because I have a button that turns on a flashlight. So here's that light. Alright, freeze. It's the same thing as the ice gun. Something. You can go and freeze your man. Wind. Like a push. Light. Oh! See, I started playing. My character isn't leveled up enough to, but will at some point. Fire beam. Water beam. Water beam. Water. And then water. Put the house out. I'm guessing this is probably what the fire beam is. Just set it on fire. Well, good to know the water beam can do that. Lightning, fire beam. Oh, that was the last one. So that was cool. Just to test out all these spells. I really Ow! I'm dead. Let's move to a new map. Detrain. Or Dalek. Exterminate. British robots. That's what these are. They have a heavy accent. Physics gun. Hello!
Exterminate!
Oh, he's harmless. Wait, did he do that? Boom. Ow! God. Ow. Jeez. What the heck? Ah! Get! Oh. He's dead. Probably got his head shot off by that other one. Hello! It's me!
Exterminate!
Ah! God! Oh my god! Woohoo! Bye bye! Mario. Mario voice. And then we have you. Hello.
Exterminate.
It's cool you can just do this. I don't think he can see me. Let's just...
Hee hee gree.
Oh! Ow. Did it kill him though? Looks like it. It's so heavy. That's cool. So what happens if I maybe go down to the Dalek mod and I get all these breakable ones and I just go over here and I go
Exterminate. Exterminate.
hello! Ow! Oh, I forgot my glasses apparently. Gun. No. We need a sight. Oh. No. No. Oh, I think they all died just like from shooting. Well, let's spawn some more then. Let's try the other kind. Oh, this is unbreakable kind. No.
Exterminate.
Ooh. Ow. It's British hunting season. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it for this video. So, if you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you want to see more Teardown, comment that you do. Also Terraria. As always, have a great rest of your day, and a roll non-existent outro, and good bye.